Welcome to Herman Hits the Road. I'm Ads and my lovely assistant here is Zoe. And in this video, thinking about cutting my hair. It's not the first time I've cut my hair. I cut my hair years ago. Had a couple of attempts, one on my sister and one on myself. And I didn't think that looked too bad. But in this video, I think what I'm after is short back and sides. We'll trim the sides and try and get rid of some of this on top. It just sticks up most of the time, and I kind of have a bit of a quiff going on sometimes. Been online and I've got some professional scissors. So I picked these up on Amazon for just a few quid, so we're going to try those. But the majority of our cutting is going to be with my beard trimmer. This is what I tend to just trim these bits with. I used to have a beard. But the tallest setting goes up to 4mm. So I've adapted it. So this is just sitting on the this comb here is sitting on the... Anyway, I've adapted it. So that's now a shortness of about 1 centimetre and a bit more.
Why have you got all that tape around?
Well, that's so it didn't come off.
Oh, I see. Keep it on there permanently. Okay.
Yeah, because it was only 4mm. You're not listening to me.
Yes, but I wasn't sure why.
So
I was
we're
actually holding it on.
Yeah,
okay.
so we're going to do some trimming down the sides. We're going to make a mess of the bathroom. And we're going to have to tackle this, which is where...
Can we just have on camera that you're going to clear it all up afterwards?
Yeah. Cool. Now, when I start doing this, it's going to be like snow. I've noticed in the hairdressers, it comes down like that, and it's white or grey. So, and of course, I'm not going to have my glasses on, and now I can't really see what I'm doing.
Are you doing the sidebands first?
Yeah, so I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to work from here upwards, basically.
Okay.
And it's not cutting.
No.
No, okay. So that's not cutting, so I'm going to have to try something else. So I'm going to put the comb on and I'm going to set it to the maximum setting. So now that should cut. But that's only, it's just 4mm. So it's going to be a bit short if I stick it straight to my scalp.
Well, do it a bit further out so that you just start taking him. No, from your hair.
Yeah. Right, let's do this. Just do the sideburns first.
Yeah.
It's just going to be in patches, isn't it? And it's clogging up. Look at that! Get my ears out of the way.
Oh dear.
What?
You're going to look silly.
I am.
Don't do it too close to the hair. Just take the bare minimum off.
Listen to the expert.
When I hear that it's best to take as little off at the beginning so that you can't put it back on if you go too close.
Right, so that's one, well, short as I want to get it that side. I'm going to try and level it out. Level it out. I don't know what the term is.
Balance it out.
My hair is so, oh goodness, that's not right.
What about just these back bits?
That's so wrong. Oh, it's quite short hair. I'm not going to be allowed into the supermarket when I go shopping. Right, am I?
Oh, it's all coming in. Right, I think that's enough off the sides.
Well, this side is so... I can't do the back, unless you can help me with the back. My own mirror here so I can see what she's doing. Oh my goodness.
I don't know how you get...
Well, what they tend to do...
Yeah.
What they tend to do is they hold it up like that and then they just trim the corners.
Okay.
Start from the sides, I think, so we can get them done.
So it's not really, what, I'm just...
Ow!
What do you mean? I'm only taking a tiny little bit.
Oh no, you can take a bit more from that.
Well, just to...
You're practicing.
Yeah.
We want some of that side off. That's the...
This bit.
Yeah. Yes, please. Hairdresser.
It's difficult, your hair, because it does tend to...
Difficult. It's just straight.
Now, does one side look longer than the other?
You hardly cut anything. It's these bits we want trimmed off. Because of course I don't want to look ridiculous.
No.
Oh, that one, I felt that one. It's like paper.
But, you see, there's not very much at the back, really.
What are you trying to say? Yeah, well, don't cut the back.
No. I'm not really cutting a lot, to be honest, because I don't want it to look, well, just to try and, you know, sort of...
He's a handsome chap, isn't
Well,
he?
he's not. He's going to look utterly ridiculous, isn't he? Don't you think? Oh dear. I don't know. It's not. And this bit you've cut just looks silly.
Yeah, I want you to trim that.
Oh gosh, that's quite a big bit.
I can hear it being. It's these bits we want trimmed down a bit. See those? There you go. There you go. Tomorrow they'll open all the hairdressers, you know.
Oh no.
What? It'll be right when it's all washed.
Oh goodness. I'm sorry about that.
Jeez.
Coming.
It's when it sounds like you're cutting paper, like wrapping paper. Is that your... That's a good bit.
No, I haven't done this side very much.
I noticed.
So it's good.
Yeah, so this side needs... Oh my, yeah, this side needs more than this side now.
Yeah. It's like a dare, isn't it?
No.
Oh gosh.
I sound like a finger.
Yeah. Now does that all feel the same? No, probably not.
No. That's what they do.
Yeah.
That's what they do, watch. So still this side.
This
Is it?
side needs a bit more.
Yeah. Tune in next week when we're going for a completely new hairstyle.
And you're doing your live stream later, aren't you? So
Yeah, live stream in a few hours.
you might have a hat on. Now that bit still seems quite high, doesn't it? Do you think?
This feels like an unkept beard, this side.
So does it?
It's getting there. I mean,
Is it?
still these
Those
bits.
bits are still too long.
Getting it on my head. There you go. I can. Well, I can't really see much, to be quite honest, because I'm
No.
short-sighted, and I'm looking in the mirror, and it's just a slightly fuzzy. Oh, it's looking good.
It's not looking
Is
good.
it not?
No.
There's a big chunk there you could have cut off. Back. Yeah. It's getting there.
Is it?
It's definitely getting there. I mean, the thing is, I can't see it.
No, this bit doesn't look quite right. That bit looks shorter. Right, so...
What about doing a bit off my quiff?
Oh Oh goodness.
She keeps spiking
Oh,
me with
sorry.
those nails. My haircut's going to be alright. But
I'm
gonna
my
have-
hairdresser
I'm gonna have
says I don't
fingernail
want to
marks
cut
all the
too
way
much
around.
off because it won't look right.
Yeah, that looks like me, my hair, like 4 weeks ago.
That'll be £10, please.
More expensive than my hairdresser.
Oh,
What are you doing?
Well,
God, blimey.
these little bits here are looking a little bit silly. Now that the other bit's looking quite good.
And they say, now, do you want it stepped or do you want it graded? Graded. And I always tell them, I don't care, I can't see the back of my head.
No, that's right.
Whatever's easy.
Sorry.
I can shave those, don't.
Right, that's it. That's good.
Is it blood? Is it blood?
No, no blood. Right, I think that's as far as
What about this bit here?
Oh. God. Oh yes, that's a bit high, isn't it? I don't want to cut too much off because that's your pride and joy, isn't it?
It's like a horn. A rhino's horn. Gets it really light. I think either way, cutting or no cutting is going to look ridiculous. It just
Yeah.
looks like I've got a shag pile now,
No,
doesn't
this
it?
bit. Why is that bit sort of?
Can you mind my face? Am I? She's inspecting her work. How do I look?
That doesn't look too bad. Well, considering.
Right, your turn. Is there more that can come off?
Oh goodness! I think you're getting a bit carried away.
No, what I can't see.
No, I've kind of done it so it doesn't look too.
Stupid. I think we're going to have that anyway.
Yeah. Hold on, just see if.
I'm like a balloon. That's a good bit. She's going for it now.
Yeah. Right. Okay. I don't think we'll do any more because. Oh gosh, it's not quite right at the back.
It's all right.
What do you
I'll be
think?
walking, running away from people at the back.
Yeah. So what do you think? It feels level, but the same each side. Yeah, because it's not a case of shaving, is it? Because
Well, I need a proper shave. I couldn't do it with that. It just gets
No.
clogged up. I think she's enjoying herself.
well, is she? I don't know. Right, I think that's it. I'm not going to go too mad. Now,
Right.
does that feel level at both sides?
Just look at the snow. It's just falling out. Does it feel level? I think it's all right. It'll do, wouldn't it? All the is there bits around my
There's
ears?
bits around the ears. Do you need to do those sort of bits as
They
yeah?
normally, hold on, before you stab it in me blood hole, they normally use the scissors, but we could probably use the.
Oh, and go round, yeah.
Do you want to? Careful.
No, I thought you were going to hold it so that I could go round, or not? Might cut a bit too much off that bit.
God, I should have had a tetanus jab before you did this.
Yeah.
Don't move, Ed.
Don't move.
Ow! Ow!
I haven't got you. I haven't done it yet.
Ow!
Did I get you?
Yes!
I think that's all of
That's
it.
skin.
Right, I'm going to move that out of the way.
Good.
Now, how do you get this bit here without? Right, so
Motionless head. Have you ever seen that?
yeah. Oh dear.
She says, "Oh dear," after all her work put into it. That was a big.
probably not doing it round the right side, am I? Oh yeah, that's better. Right.
Whew. I'm not, what, ear, 1, 2.
Yes, I'm
Nose.
bleeding there.
Is it? She stabbed me or cut me. Right. I think that'll do us. Look at the state of me. So as they do in the hairdressers, they put the mirror up. Oh, let's do this. I can't see it. I'm not going to bother.
No, I wouldn't worry.
Maybe you should just show them the back. Just show them.
Well, it's a bit messy, this bit.
Oh well, never mind. I won't see that.
No.
What's the size like?
The sides a bit short, aren't they?
That's good. That means I won't have to come back here for another 6 weeks rather than next week. There you go. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Zoe's done a good job?
Well, I think you need to wash it to get rid of all the bits and things.
Yeah,
and
it
then
all fall out.
restyle.
Just a little clump.
Still falling out.
Right, let's see. What do you think? Do you think Zoe did,
No.
Zoe did a good job? Let us know in the comment section below, and let us also know whether or not when you're going to be needing your haircut. We might.
I can come round and do it.
Oh no, you're not allowed to come around and do it, but there's some hints and tips on how to stab your partner. Yes. Rightio, speak to you soon. Hopefully I'll survive my new haircut. Bye bye now. Say goodbye, Zoe.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I'm going around the ears, but you haven't got anything around the ears, have you?
Got no brains round the
No.
ears.
Right.
Between the ears. I keep looking at the mirrors like, oh God. So where do I start? What bit do I want cut off?